Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we have a Hot Wheels mail call. So I just got these delivered to the shop maybe 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, and I thought, might as well whip out the camera and get a video started. So some of this stuff is stuff I pre-ordered on Redline Club a little over a year ago, I want to say. And some of the stuff is I ordered when Mattel had their sale on. But yeah, let's get this all cracked open. I'm going to start with these smaller boxes first. Just see. Oh, so the first one are the Hawkas. I ordered two. The 1972 Skyline HT2000 GTR. It's like a purple and cream color. Gosh darn, these are way nicer in person. When you buy them off the site, it's just like a photo of it. But, my goodness. Gorgeous. And I got two of them. The next one is I can't say what's in here if I don't really know what's in here. Oh! The next one is the Nissan Skyline R33. I like to call it the Baja, but it's like the 4x4. R33 Skyline. Man, that thing's awesome. Big old Y body kit on it. Yeah. Okay. Let's get into the big box now. If I remember correctly, there should be those Elite 64 pendums that I missed out on the first time because I wasn't really paying attention to my email like a dumbass. Okay, I just want to show you how this was packaged. There's no bubble. Like, these ones all had, both of these had these bubble things. These are just like loosely in here. There's no protection or anything. Okay, good thing none of these got damaged. So I got two of these Elite 64 Datsun 280 ZXs. These are really nice. Now, when they had their sale on, I can't remember what I paid for these, but they were on sale. I got the Ronin run. I think I got two of these Ronin runs. Yeah, two of the Ronin runs and one of the Drag Strip Demons in those. I can't believe that didn't have any bubbles in it or anything. I mean, whatever. So yeah, again, the Elite 64s. Gosh darn, these are so nice. I'm just going to tap this so it'll focus. Yeah, so I'll be doing probably a separate video of me opening these. If I decide to open, I'm going to open them. I'm going to open them because I like seeing the containers and stuff. But yeah, that was just a quick of my thing. So now a recap, just a quick recap. I got two of the purple Hawkas, the R33, and two Elite 64s, and then the two Ronin runs, and the Hot Wheels Drag Strip Demons. I'm so excited. There's going to be so much to crack open here. I don't... Okay. But yeah. Anyway, that was just a quick little video I thought I'd throw in here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. And don't forget about the giveaway. So I'm giving away... Actually, I'll go grab it. I'm giving away these two cars, the R34 Skyline for Fast and Furious, and this Mitsubishi Super T-Hunt. Now all you have to do again is just subscribe. I'll leave the link to the video down below. You just go on there, comment your favorite casting, and you'll automatically get entered in to win. Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. subscribe. Again, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.